Hey, happy summer, everyone, because we are getting summer this weekend. It's going to be in the 90s here in Madison. I'm really excited that I will have central air conditioning at my brand new listing at 2 Grove Circle in Southwest Madison. You will see it right above in the listing links and information directly above this video in our constant contact piece. It is a exquisite, one-of-a-kind home. My clients had it built for their dream home in their retirement so they could live all on one floor when time required that. And it is fantastic. Check out the photos, check out the video, come to the open houses. I will be there Saturday from 1 until 4 and then Sunday from 12 until 2, or we can set up a showing. I got to show you my Maui hat. Hello, Maui. And then also, too, wanted to give you a quick update. We did get our May numbers and showings and sales are down slightly, 2.1% statewide in May of 25 compared to May of 24. It's 2.7% down year to date in terms of sales, but the average price is way up. So in May of this year, our average price in the South Central Wisconsin MLS region was just shy of 400,000 at 399 even. It was 367 last year. So prices still have come up. Statewide prices have come up 6.8%. So we've seen inventory come up. That's happening across the country. I was out in Seattle and Vancouver, British Columbia, and inventory is up pretty much across the coast, especially. Those markets are starting to see pullback in pricing. We are not. I think it has a lot to do with our affordability relative to where they're at. The home that I've listed above at Grove Circle is listed value range 725 to 750. If that was in Kirkland, Washington, where we used to live, it'd be 2.5 million. So we are seeing relocators coming from some of the coast towards the central part of the country. Milwaukee and Madison have been two of the top major metro areas in America the last year. We've got great quality of life, great schools, great access to so much to do. Really tan from all the bike riding that I've been able to get in. So we're here for you. If you'd like to learn more about what your market's like, if you've got a specific area or property or your home, let me know. We can set up a showing and then I can do some reports. So with that said, I will let you go. I've got some more prep work to do. I've got buyer appointments tomorrow. I've got a counteroffer coming in on one of my listings, the listing that I advertised on West 6593 Drake Road. But this is the update on June 19th. Happy summer. Excited tonight. We are having our neighborhood association. I'm the vice president, and Karen's involved with the Midvale Heights Community Association. We're having our association neighborhood picnic. We've got good weather for it. And then we're going to have music nights coming up at Seago Park. There's 4 planned. There'll be 2 food trucks at each of those. Those all start in July, I think July 12th to be exact. So have a great summer. Here for you, field team in Madison, Wisconsin and South Central Wisconsin. And I love talking about housing advocacy too. So I will end now. Have a peaceful end of your Thursday and a great weekend. Let me know if you need anything.